Hey everybody, so this is the Case 360, the LX 360 tractor, and I am cleaning out the gas tank. The tractor won't run, it keeps shutting off, and so I had to replace this fuel filter here. It was all gummed up. And so guys, if your tractor won't start, if the Case LX 360 will not start, first thing you want to do is take this fuel filter off. This cup right here is located right up under here like so, and it screws onto this little deal right here. It unscrews. You turn your fuel cock off, and you take this cup off, and then once you get your cup off, this is your filter here. You might want to order yourself a new filter. This one here is really in bad shape. You can see how much trash was in the gas tank. And so you want to clean this out real good, you know. And what I had to do is I took an air hose, and you have this line right here that goes up to your gas tank. It's a black line. It's a really small line. It goes on this right here. But if you blow air into this line and you have trash in your gas line, you can clear your line out by blowing air through this line here. Okay? You might want to put the cap and everything on it so the system is closed, but you can get air out of your line like that. I got a new fuel filter. I put a new fuel filter on there, and I started it back up, and it started running again, and then it died. So I took the fuel filter back off. This was a brand new fuel filter, and look at all the crap that's on it, you know, and it was full of junk. So that told me that the gas tank is dirty. So I'm not gonna take the gas tank off. I'm gonna flush the gas tank like this, try to clean it like this, and I'm gonna replace the fuel line. This line right here, I believe, has a small crack in it. So I'm gonna replace that line there. And hopefully that should solve the problem. The tractor should start up. So that fuel line goes right there. Yep. So I'm just draining this fuel here. And folks, if your tractor's acting like it's got water in the gas and stuff, that's what it is. It's that your fuel filter is clogged up and it's not getting the fuel, you know, and so this is your problem. I hope I've helped, and you guys please hit the subscribe button, like, check out my other videos. My name's Jeremy. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments below. Thank you. Have a great day.